And Ballesteros and Gabayni. And it's Gabayni winning the tip. Ari nakatawid. Takes the three and knocks down the three.
You see, back in the day, shots like those.
Marcelino in trouble. Santos got it.
On the other end, well-executed play. Sa kanila ang bola because of the unforced outlet turnover. Kawilan sa loob. Ang ganda ng pasa. I believe off of a flex action.
Dapat meron kang Pinoy step. Kawilan knocks down the three.
Specialty of the house.
Inside they go. Gabayni, great move. Using the fake. And obviously because he's lost.
I don't think I can emphasize enough how important Joseph is. I remember one conversation we have as Kawilan goes for his second three. This time off a handoff. The first one was off. You average at least 15 and 12 consistently, maybe 10.
Wow, Joseph.
May kalalagyan yung team nyo, pero Kawilan nilalagyan ng kalalagyan itong Quezon players. When the defenders go under, they would go over the screen. When I say over, a step further the screen. So it allows
South, one of Coach Luis' priorities ay ang kanilang rotation at recovery. Kaya for example, si Tosi Tansinco is not playing again today para makalaro ang iba niyang kapwesto.
Coach Bobby Parks, the late Coach Bobby Parks. Nice reverse by Ballesteros. And I tell you, maliit lang mundo ng basket ago. That was a decade ago.
Nagmelo na, pero I doubt it. Kasi alam mo, ang gagaling ng mga anak din ngayon maglaro.
Correct.
Yung lack of fanfare of getting the job done is actually a mark of a really good team, by the way.
Right.
hindi yun yung hindi ka titigilan. Galanza gets it to Marcelino for the stretch layup.
Galanza will get the assist, but so far 17-1 after losing their first game. 17-game winning streak. Who does that?
Pampanga does that. Never see actually done it. Has done it. Oh, this team is just, they play really good defense, but they just can't seem to score consistently.
Two things.
First quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.
I think it was the fourth quarter na hinabol nila. Tapos lumamang sila parang 10 pa ata. Offensive rebound or his outside shot. I think Mahari is a good player. You're gonna need his aggressiveness, especially guarding the best player. Good screen by Alas.
Sobido rattles that one in.
What a beautiful, timely screen. Sobido for the three. Another steal from the backcourt.
Galanza gets the 2 points.
Ang dami na yan si Delfa. Kung ikaw si Coach Agui.
Now, well, it's been quite a bit of a gamble for Zamboanga because pag nape-press break sila, they're giving up a lot of high percentage looks just like that one.
Right. Screen
good on that three.
Another good pass.
From Galanza, and Kawilan gets his 13th point.
This time does it in transition. No? First 11 points niya in the half court. Marcelino just throws it up like a prayer shot.
2-1, able to cross half court. Kawilan for three again. JP Kawilan, what a half for him. 16 in the ball game.
Ano kadalasan sinasabi ng mga player pag ganito tulad ng performance si Kawilan? Kondisyon.
Bigay mo na yung bola sa kanya, but look at Renzo Sobido. Binawi agad.
Kampayata ng flopping si Alas doon. Sobido, pangatlo ba? Yes!
Renzo Sobido. Second quarter masterpiece for him here.
Ng Zamboanga.
Alas, kick out to Sobido. Pulls up, yes! One thing you can... JC for three. No, Mahari with the putback.
Ayan yung pinag-uusapan natin kay Mahari. Hindi lang yung abilidad niya sa depensa.
Bienes backing down on Terzo. Bienes, the one-hander, is good.
I love it. You see, even though...
Solis. JC Marcelino over Ballesteros.
Grabe, no?
What a shot.
Ganda nung touch niya, no? Sa mga ganung running shot, sa mga floater. May contact pa, may foul pa. At hindi maliit yan, ha? Yung sumabay sa kanya, mahaba yan. Jason Ballesteros.
That's at least. Terzo gets it to Publico. That's a 3. His halftime score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.
In that first quarter, and tulad yung nabanggit mo, Subido, he was big to give them a spark off the bench on the offensive end. You know, finish the first half in 5 to start the second half for Coach Egay, and it's doing wonders for them because yung dalawang player na yun in the backcourt, Estrella and Cani, who came off the bench in the first.
Hindi nabigay yung pasa, Galanza. Cani gets back Galanza and scores.
I talk about taking yung linya papunta sa ring.
Scoreless in that first half.
He was, yes.
Adi Santos with the layup.
After scoring 18 in the last game.
Hubert shoots over Joey and Hubert Cani.
He's feeling it. What I like about Hubert, though, the last 2 attempts, even though he hit his first attempt from the outside, the last 2 has been from the inside, closer range.
In the ball game. Are.
Solid screen by Kim Lo.
Oh, 3 ball galing kay Mike Are. He opened the game with a 3-pointer.
Empty corner ball screen.
Subido. Galanza is open. Yes! Back to Mike. The extra pass has Salem. Yes! We'll go to Bienes. Low for 3. And he gives them the lead. 62-61. JV. Subido. Bonga Lanza. Another 3. That's good.
It was actually better coverage that time. Another empty corner ball shoot.
Turnaround shot. Ray Bienes puts it in. Limit. JV Marcelino. Spins inside. Santos, 2 points.
He could get an assist.
The quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta, baka sila Mig, saka sila Javi marunong. And take a look at the quarter scoring, 25-20 in the first for Quezon City, 32-17 for Zamboanga. Had to adjust, shot clock winding down. Terrific defense from Zamboanga. They go back the other way. JC Marcelino for 2.
Selena is pregnant, you know, 6 months, 7 months pregnant. Congratulations.
Oh,
Ang tawagan pa nila, babes. Dapat ganun ka rin, Sedel.
oh grabe. And yun ang point of emphasis ni Coach Louie. But they do get the offensive rebound here, and JC Marcelino attacks and scores.
Beautiful attack there.
Wild shot. Polonio with the rebound. Subido ahead to Marcelino. The drop pass to Gabayni. Oh.
You can flex it. You can flex it. Ulit yung bola. Yun ang mabigat doon.
Bienes, they need a bucket here, and he gives them that. Okay, Bienes. Andoy Estrella for white shirts back the other way. Andoy, oh, ganda ng pasa.
One 3-1 zone for QC.
Saan pupunta ngayon
Yun
ang
lang.
Zamboanga? Nakalusot si Subido.
Can't be happy if you're Coach Egay. Subido blowing by 2 blue shirts to get a layup inside the paint.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX. Kawilan for 3! And he's regained his touch just in time, 21 points.
Here's a 1-3-1 once again.
They swing it over to Terzo. That goes in! Joseph Terzo. To Sobido, he'll fire a three. Wala, rebound ni Terzo.
They have to foul.
Gets it to Ignacio and the foul given up. Free throws coming up para kay Renzo Sobido. Renzo Sobido at the free throw line. That's the first one to drop. It's Renzo Sobido with doon dadaan ang kanilang opensa ng Zamboanga in these last 2 minutes. 12 seconds remaining. Kawilan to Are. Mike Are. Bienes almost lost the handle. Bienes all the way to the cup. 85-89, and that will do it. Zamboanga Master Sardines prevailing over Quezon City Toda Aksyon. The final score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta